Seagull. 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 Seagull.
Seagull is an eagle.
Seagull.
But from the
Seagull. Seagull. I meant seagull. Why do they call it a seagull?
Because it's an eagle of the sea.
No, please don't
Look
go.
at that ugly dude.
I just got him on video picking up. Ooh, they fighting. They fighting. They stop.
Fight. Oh, that was the dominant one. He bigger.
Hi.
No, I don't want to be mine.
Don't even look at that guy. Move really quick. Oh, darn it. I wanted to try and get him.
Oh, he's fat. He is fat. Look at that one compared to that.
Dang, he's fat.
He like, get out my territory.
Imagine if he comes into the pool.
If he did, that would be so good.
Donovan, you should title this video Seagull. Because that's what all I'm doing. I'm saying Seagull and Seagull. So, yeah, bye.